How to solve a Rubik's Cube. Yo, what is up guys? It's me, Soccer Fan Diggs, and today I'm doing something a bit different. I'm actually going to teach you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So right here I have a completely unscrambled Rubik's Cube, and I'm going to teach you guys how to solve it step by step for beginners. So first thing I like to do is solve the white cross right here. So I need to get all the right crosses matched up with each of these center pieces, the right colors. So for this one, for this blue, I'm going to move it up and to the middle. And this is the only part of the solve where I really don't use an algorithm. So I kind of just match it up. And as you can see, we now have the red and blue. And then the orange, we can just go here, here, and here. And for the green, let's see, the green's right here. So let's just go here, here, here. Keep that blue up there. Green is now down here. Let's flip it around to the green side. And we have the white cross solved, which each of the two layers going down. So next thing, we have to solve the white side. So with each of the corners right here, we want them to match up. So for this one, it actually is already in a good position. With the orange and green, it has orange and green. So we just want to do this algorithm. So it's the right side, you're moving that down. So I think R prime maybe. Then you're going to move this one over 2. The bottom over 2 and up, and then the bottom back. Then next you want to go here, bottom 1, and then up, right back up. And as you can see, we have that solved. So next thing we want to do is move over to the blue and orange. So we have a blue and orange piece here, and we have the blue and orange side. So this one's already in the position that we want with the white one facing towards the right. So you want to go down and then move it over and come back up. Next one, we have the red and green. So we want to move this in between the red and the green. So this one was also in the great position, so we just go right, bottom, then up again. And for the last piece, we have blue and orange. Not blue and orange, blue and red. This one is not in a very good position, so we're going to need to go down, over 2, up and back, down, over 2, and then back. So as you can see here, we now have the first layer solved. So I know that was a bit fast. You could pause the video and catch up. But now we're going to flip the white onto the bottom and start solving the second layer correctly. So what we're going to need to do is for this one, for the blue and orange, our algorithm is going to be, we're going to move this top piece over to the opposite way of orange. Then we're going to do a sexy, which is this. And then we're going to move the top over again. Then we're going to move the front this way, and this way. So that placed the piece right here, and that is a lefty case. Now let me try to find a righty case for us here in a second. So let's go again, up, so this way, then a sexy, then move it over again, front, and then place the white back in there and move it back down again. We seem to have, ooh, that might be a case. So let's just do the lefty case again then. This way, sexy, move it over, open the spot, put it in, and place it back where it belongs to keep the white side solved. And then for this one, we have a bad case. So here, I'll demonstrate the right. We have to actually flip this piece. So what we're going to want to do is to take it out, so we're basically just putting this piece in there temporarily. So what we want to do is we want to move it over opposite way, which we're going to do it. Then we're going to reverse. We're going to do the other on the other side. Keep turning it. Then front the other way to put these two up. Place in the white like that and move it back down. So now we have what should be the piece that was just there up there. So now we can do it again to place it in properly. So we want away, a sexy, then top again, then the front down to put these up, place that in and put it back down. So now, as you can see, we have the first 2 layers done. Yay for us. Our next goal is to be solving the yellow cross. So what we're going to do is, if you have an L or a dot or like a line of yellow, what the algorithm is going to be is this. So you want to go to the front this way, so the front this way, up this way, then you want to move this, so you want to move the right up. Basically, you're just doing a sexy, and then you want to move this side back down. So if you have an L, it should do it first try. If you have a dot, you might have to do it 3 times, and if you have a line, you might have to do it 2 times. So here now we have the yellow cross. Don't worry about the corner pieces, that's what the next goal is, but we have the cross here. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to perform a move to get the yellow side completely solved. So we always want, if we do have a corner piece solved, we want at least one of them to be in this bottom right corner, and we're going to do this move. Up, right, down, up, 2 times this, like this. So then we can have a corner piece like this, right, up, right, down, up, 2 times up and down. You might have to do this a few times, but eventually you should get it. Boom. So we now have it solved. You just got to repeat that move over and over again. So now what you want to do is, now that you have this solved, the next algorithm is to get most of the cubes solved, except for these top center pieces are going to be incorrect. So what you want to do is you want to find one that has the headlights. This isn't a very good example, but as you can see, none of the rest of these. So this has the 2 blues that are matching up together. You want to put that on the same side as it. Don't worry about the middles. See this one, it has different colors, so this one is not headlights. This one, and if you don't have headlights, just kind of do it once. So the algorithm is going to be right, front, right, then you're going to move to the back and do the back move twice. Then you want to go up, then the front the other way, and then down, and then the back twice, and then up twice, and to the right. So now, as you can see what I was talking about, we have headlights on all of our sides. This is good. We are 1 step away from solving the cube. Now, if you have a special case, you might have one side that's completely solved. You want to put that side in the back for this next algorithm. And the next algorithm is going to be depending on which way yours is facing. So like, or which way yours is rotating. So if yours is rotating this way, you're going to do, here, I'll show you in the algorithm. So you want to do, you want to go to the middle twice, then this turn, okay, so remember how I said that this piece and this piece need to be flipped? You want to turn it the opposite way that the rest of the side is. So for the orange and green, you'd want to go middle, then turn it this way instead of that way. But you want to turn it this way. Then you want to bring the middle piece down. Then turn the top two. Then turn the middle like this. Then turn it the same way that you did. And like this. So now you should have one piece solved in the back. So now what you want to do is the same. See, the green is this way, so you want to rotate the top this way inside the algorithm. So you want to go middle two, turn it this way, bring the middle down, turn it twice, up, left, and boom. Your Rubik's Cube is solved. If this video was helpful to you in any way at all, I do hope that you subscribe for more random content, you know. And I will see you guys all in the next video. So, later.